Microsoft Access 2010 Report Calculations. Reports have many purposes. They can display all the information found in a table. Alternatively, they can display extracted information found in a query. Reports can also summarize information. The way to summarize information is to do calculations in reports. Let's open a report in Design View. You would be doing your calculation in the report footer. Currently, the space in the report footer is not available. Open up space in the report footer by dragging the report footer bigger. When you enter a calculation in a report footer, you will do so by using a text box. Text boxes are found on the Contextual tab for the report in the Design tab. This is what the text box looks like. Click on the text box, move to the report footer and drag the text box to the required size. Currently, the text box consists of two parts: a label in which you will enter the description for the calculation, as well as the text box in which you will enter the calculation itself. Now, let's say you want to determine how many students this report consists of. Remember, the label will indicate what the calculation is. Let's say number of students. In the text box, we will enter the calculation. All calculations start with an equal sign. Just like in Excel, you will use the function that is provided for the calculation. In this case, we want to count the number of students. Again, just like in Excel, after functions there is a bracket. If you want to count records, we will have to put a block bracket, since Access accepts anything between block brackets as the name of the record. A safe count would be the surname, because all students should have a surname. Remember, it is very important to enter the name of the field 100% correctly. Close the block bracket as well as close the round bracket for the function. When you switch to report view, you will find that the students were counted. In other words, in this report, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 students. There are other functions available in reports, such as sum, which will add up a number, average, which will determine the average of a number of numbers, minimum, which will determine the lowest number in a set of numbers, as well as maximum, which will determine the maximum number in a set of numbers.